Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can fix your airline if it's leaking. Okay, look here, my airline is leaking now. There's a couple of holes. I'll show you right there. It might get you a ticket. So in order to fix it, you need to get one of these. You need to make sure that this size fits your handle. And my handle is 3/8 with 1/2 inch and PTF fittings. Okay, you can get it from any truck stop. Let's get into it. So you basically cut it here, unbolt it, and you put your air hose to this side, and then use this key. And there is a keyhole. You need to turn it so it will squeeze your airline here. Take the airline, unscrew it. Okay, I'm gonna use just a knife. Okay, I cut it. Take out this ring, push it in just like this, halfway through, and then put this ring back and squeeze it. So alright, so it's squeezed tight and will never come off. That's it. Now get your handle. If you want to clean it, but I don't want to waste my time. This has everything to seal it. Lubricant. So just need to get a key like this. This side is 22 millimeters clockwise. Alright. Okay guys, airline. Let's test it out. Let's see. To press the red one. No. Nothing is leaking. It's done. This is it. And I'll probably tape this ring because it seems like it will come off easily. See? To lock it in place, put a tape on it. Just put a little bit tape, duct tape, just to make sure this ring is not going anywhere. Okay, that's it. Good luck.